Now, I got an email because there was a registration process that allowed you to register with your Sony ID and then get an invite to pre-order. I've just received that email, and the pre-orders start tomorrow in the UK. Times, of course, will vary depending on where you are, but tomorrow, 15th of November, on the PlayStation Store, through these invites only at the moment, I believe. That's the impression I'm getting. But they start at 11 AM tomorrow on the 15th of November. And I believe they run, and it says until stocks last, until the 28th of November. I will have to check that. So I'll pause this video and then come back to you. That's good preparation, isn't it? I was wrong. 11 AM Greenwich Mean Time tomorrow, 15th of November, till 9:59 AM on the 18th of November, Greenwich Mean Time again. And I would imagine these times will also be a global sort of launching, so you can't sort of go somewhere else or another country and order it early. And what you get, I'll show you on my phone. I don't know whether it will come out. No, you can't see that at all. But basically, you get a invite email, and then you get a unique link to access the event. And yeah, so if you've not registered, do so, and chances are you'll get the invite to with your unique link to then order the PlayStation VR2. It's very exciting indeed. Yeah, so I'll let you know how we get on. Just a heads up, I'm busy recording, although I'm having various technical issues, the DVLA Mania. I'm trying to get some sound, a decent sort of idea for you guys to see what it sounds like. So I'm busy doing that. Anyway, excited, very excited.